artists. Today, we're going to play a fun guessing game while we draw some cool shapes. Can you guess what shape I'm tracing before I finish it? Let's find out together and have some shape-tastic fun. Can you guess which shape I'm tracing? It's round, with no corners and no sides. What do you think it is? Yes! A circle! Great job! Alright, here's the next shape. It has 3 straight sides and 3 sharp corners. What is it? That's right! A triangle! You're so smart! Here comes another one! This shape has 5 sides and 5 corners. Can you guess? Yes, you got it! A pentagon! Awesome work! Now this one is shiny and twinkly, just like the night sky. Can you tell me what shape I'm drawing? Wow, a star! You are amazing at this! Here's a shape with 4 equal sides and 4 sharp corners. What could it be? Yes, it's a square! Fantastic job! You're doing great! Alright, our last shape. I'm drawing a circle, but wait, I stopped halfway. What shape could this be? A half circle, exactly! You are a shape superstar! Wow! Look at all the shapes we've drawn together! Now, it's time to fill them with bright, happy colors. Grab your favorite markers or crayons and let's make them come to life. Don't forget to use your favorite colors. Circles are everywhere. From the sun in the sky to the wheels on a bus. Can you name something round like our circle? Is it a ball, the moon, or a pizza? You can color the triangle green, the star golden, the square blue. Or use any colors you love. Triangles are so neat! What would you design with a triangle? Maybe a mountain? They're nature's strong structure. Which shape do you think is the easiest to draw? I think it's the circle. The Pentagon building in the United States has the same name as this 5-sided shape. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button for more fun drawing adventures. Stars we draw are inspired by the sparkling ones in the night sky. What's your favorite shape to draw? I like the star. It's magical. Shapes are everywhere in our world, and creating them is like building blocks of amazing art. Squares are often used in designs because they are balanced and equal on all sides. Where can we find a square around us? Oh, like a window frame. Good idea. If you were to combine these shapes, what new design would you create? A half circle, or semicircle, is what you see when you slice a pizza in half. Half a circle makes a fun shape. What does it remind you of? Maybe a rainbow? And we did it! Our shapes are all drawn and beautifully colored. Didn't they turn out amazing? Thank you so much for helping me guess and draw these cool shapes. Keep practicing and keep spotting shapes around you. Until next time, my pinky artists.